In today's video, I'm going to show you how to find Telegram channels step by step, even if you're a complete beginner. Telegram has millions of public channels covering topics like movies, jobs, crypto, news, and study resources. And once you know where to look, finding the right ones is super easy. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open the Telegram app on your phone or desktop. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once Telegram is open, look at the top right corner of the screen and tap on the search icon, the little magnifying glass. This is where you can search for channels, groups, bots, and users. In the search bar, type a keyword related to what you're looking for. For example, you can type movies, jobs, crypto, study, news, or any topic you're interested in. After typing the keyword, you'll see a list of results. Now, this part is important. At the top of the results, switch to the Channels tab. This filters the results so you only see Telegram channels and not groups or users. Scroll through the list and tap on any channel that looks interesting to you. You'll be able to preview the channel content before joining. If you like what you see, simply tap the Join button at the bottom of the screen. That's it. You're now a member of the Telegram channel and you'll start receiving updates directly in your chat list. You can repeat the same steps to find and join as many Telegram channels as you want. And that's how you quickly find Telegram channels using search. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future guides.